Need an easy way to get rid of weeds without using commercial weed killers? Here's a simple DIY weed killer you can make at home that's perfect for driveways, sidewalks, and gravel areas. For this recipe, you'll need 1 gallon horticultural vinegar, 1 cup table salt, 1 tablespoon liquid dish soap. You'll also need a large bucket and a garden sprayer or spray bottle. Pour the horticultural vinegar into a large bucket. Add the salt and stir until it's completely dissolved. Next, add the dish soap and gently stir to combine. Pour the finished mixture into a garden sprayer or spray bottle. Since horticultural vinegar is much stronger than household vinegar, always wear gloves and eye protection while mixing and spraying. Store the solution safely away from children and pets. Spray the solution directly onto weeds on a warm, sunny, dry day for best results. Be careful to avoid flowers, gardens, and grass because this mixture will damage or kill any plant it touches. For stubborn or deep-rooted weeds, a second application after a few days may be needed. If you found this DIY helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, all-natural home recipes.